Hello, this is Steven. Welcome to the video. So today we'll be asking ChatGPT to create a website for us. Not create a website for us, but guide us to create a website using React. Or first, let's start with vanilla JavaScript and some CSS, and if that works, we'll ask it to give it in React and we'll go from there. Okay, to get it started, we'll need Visual Studio Code for Mac, so I'm doing that right now. It should be pretty quick, I imagine. Yeah, it takes a while. Uh, so the idea I got to do this particular video is that I'm a software engineer working as a software engineer for the last 4 years, and I wanted to see if ChatGPT can, overtake my job, and should I start taking new skills, or should I stick on with web development? So that is the main reason which I wanted to do this particular video, and hope this will be informative for all of you guys. So this is a project that I did. Just we'll just ignore that. I'll just delete that. Okay, I'll just open a new window. We'll close this out. Okay, so we have everything. I'll just open a new document in desktop. I'll say Chat GPT project and create and open. Okay, so we are all set. So I'll just close out this tab. So this is a ChatGPT free account. I'm not using the premium version. So let's do the prompt first. So I'll ask create a single page e-commerce website or web page with vanilla JS and CSS. The website should have a header or nav bar with home categories and specials. Okay, let's see what I have received. Okay, redefine and debug on spot with translation to Python. Check it out. Okay, got it. Oh my goodness. So I didn't know ChatGPT can do this. I knew it could code, but I didn't expect it to be in a different interface where this is very similar to what we code in, right? So that is new to me, but let's see how it goes. Once this is done, we'll just copy paste this to our website and see the functionality. So what it says, the single page e-commerce website has been created with header containing home categories and specials. Navigation options, products are displayed dynamically using vanilla JavaScript. Let me know what you think. We can adjust further. So okay, so I go to my VS Code, I write index.html or HTML, yes, and then I just paste, save, and open with live serve. Wow. Oh my goodness. These functionalities wouldn't work because there is no card at all, but overall this looked very solid to me. Mm, yeah, no errors or anything of that sort. Let's try to debug what he has written. Yeah, I can see products given as a mock, and then there is a query selector. Okay, this is not bad. So we have the body header, this is the nav, the css spot is spot on, so there is nothing to complain over there. In the main, so it is using the semantic tags, main, header, and all those sort. There is no footer for now, so we'll just leave it. And product images, he has provided, ChatGPT, he or she has provided with a link, so pretty good, pretty damn good. And yeah, since this is vanilla JavaScript, we are I mean searching for the doc to get the products tag and then inserting it as one by one. Yeah, appending it as child. uh, uh, yeah, if one click on it, you get a alert. Okay, till now it is pretty impressive. Now let's try to enhance this product so that we'll be able to add this to cart. But is that too much to ask right now, or should we start by making this mobile responsive? So to make it mobile responsive, let's check if this is currently mobile responsive. mm, it is on some sort. I would say not, because I would want this menus to be in a hamburger menu if it is in a mobile. So we'll ask him to do that first. Okay, let's give honest feedback. This is great. Let's make this mobile responsive by adding a hamburger menu. Oh my goodness. And burger menu. Yeah, that should be enough for now. So one thing I usually don't like about ChatGPT is it usually gives another text full with the full code that we needed, right? But right now, that is not what is happening. It is editing the existing code, which is what I would have done and I would have wanted. So this is very interesting part that I didn't expect at all, and this is a great update as well. I wanted to check, am I using ChatGPT Plus? I think this is currently using ChatGPT Plus, because I might have some few tries that I can give it out in ChatGPT Plus, and then it switches to ChatGPT for Mini. I think, but this is so damn good. I'm not even kidding. I've been a programmer for the last 4 years, and if AI can do this, meaning edit its own response, then we have come a long way from where it started. Because I remember back when I was in college, we used to do these projects in NP, natural language processing, NLP, and those results were nowhere close to these results that ChatGPT is providing to us right now. So it has made an update. So let's go check on the live side. Okay, and let's see if it made the hamburger menu that we requested for. Okay, this is exactly what I looked for. I don't know what he is doing over here. I wanted this to be another div that is uh, overlaid on top, but I don't know what this is. So yeah, I think he did something exactly what I needed. That's another div which is overlaying on top. Uh, mm, the position is absolute. Yeah, this would be something that I would have done done as well. The only thing that I would have made a small difference would be to make this particular header sticky so that it won't go away from the main screen. So far so impressive. The next thing that I would try to do is to add the card functionality. I know it's an overkill, but I think after seeing uh, all these what ChatGPT can do, I think it would be a piece of cake for ChatGPT. Let's do that. Please add a card functionality to the web page. Okay, this is tough. Tough in the sense it would take me like 2 hours to get this done if I'm not giving my 100%. If I'm giving my 100%, I can get it done by 1 hour. But I'm just saying, in the software developer world, creating a different card is a day's work. Just be honest. Let's see how it goes. I can see it is editing by itself, which is mind blowing to me. And I have never seen this different the different interface when it is coding. uh, for the record, I didn't buy the plus plan, or I didn't choose a AI trained model. Trained model which is only to do the coding part. I took the general ChatGPT model that we all get from the website, and these are the results that I get, which is really impressive, to be honest. Yeah, we can see that he has updated the code with so we can see there is a empty card object, and then update card functionality. That is something that I would do. Add to cart. We want to see what is the difference. So oh yeah, he has just splitted the functionality into two. So once we plus a place on add to cart, it will add the items to cart, and then it will click the update, call the update function to reflect the newly updated cart. uh, wow, this is very impressive in my opinion. Let's copy and paste. Let's see how the live server works. Okay, this is not what I expected. I expected um, an icon of card to be here, um, but I didn't give those instructions specifically, so it is understandable. If the functionality works, it would be easy for anyone to move this behind a button. So okay, this is impressive. Okay, what can I say? This is very impressive. Based on the information that I have given to ChatGPT, the results that it can yield me, this is impressive as well as frightening to me in terms of a software developer perspective. AI can not only assist, but it can do the work by itself if proper prompts are given to it. So I'm thinking about the future now. Will there be prompt? Will there be more use of prompt engineers than software engineers themselves? Because I would say to build this e-commerce website, it would take a day for a regular software developer to get this done perfectly. But with the help of AI, I think the time taken to get this done would be reduced drastically. I'm not even kidding. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try to move the card into the header behind the button, and we want it similar to how the Amazons and the STs and everything works. So let's let's ask ChatGPT to do that. Please move the card behind the cart icon, which should be placed on the right, on the right most part of the header. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, didn't say anything else. It went straight to editing the code that was provided to us. So let's see what's happening here. This is impressive, to be honest. I didn't knew. To be honest, I didn't know ChatGPT could do this. I can use this for work. I'm not even kidding. But this is impressive. Maybe I should switch my job to do more of the management part of the job now instead of just developing from scratch, because it doesn't make sense. If AI can do the job, why should we do it using our own brain, which is time consuming? I think by the end of next 2-3 years, there will be a drastic reduction in the hiring of software developers. I wouldn't say software engineers, because there are many levels for software engineering to be done, a product to be built. But just as a web developer, this is frightening. It is a blessing and a curse. I can say that. Okay, let's see the updated version. It looks promising, and so far, if you have seen, there I couldn't see a single console error that was printed. We'll check after this update, but yeah, just pointing that out. Okay, so okay, this is not the greatest of the finish, but well, we can still work with that. Yeah, I can see that the counter is increasing and the drop down is updated as well. This is something that we can work with. A small CSS editing would be enough. I think what he might have done, or ChatGPT might have done, is to use the precision absolute, um, yeah, on the top right corner, which is not what I would do. I would just place it on the menu tab and let it be here with flex, so that yeah, it is already a flexed container, so it doesn't make sense for this particular thing to be, or I think I know what he was trying to do. No, I don't. Ideally, if yeah, I don't know what he tried to do, but he or she, sorry, but yeah, still not bad at all, not bad at all. And there is no function to remove these items as of now. We can only just add them, but so far so good. um, Thanks for watching. I'll do the next part. If you guys are interested, please let me know on the comments. We'll ask ChatGPT to make this website look even better. We'll do it on the next video then. Bye bye.